Hey guys, welcome back to the video. Hope you all are doing good. In this video, I will show you how to connect and use an external webcam on your laptop. For this video, I'm using this Windows 11 laptop and you can follow the same steps on most Windows laptops. So let's get started. First, set your external webcam at your preferred location such as on top of your laptop screen or on your monitor depending on your setup. After that, connect your external webcam to your laptop using the USB cable. Simply plug the webcam into an available USB port like this. After connecting the USB webcam, wait for few seconds. Windows will automatically detect the webcam and install the required drivers. Most modern webcams are plug and play. Now let's check if the webcam is working. Open settings. For this you have to right click on this Windows icon, then click on this option settings. After that, on the left side, click on this option Bluetooth and devices, click on it. After that, on the right side, scroll down and then click on this camera option. So click on this camera option. Now here you will see both the cameras. The first one is my laptop built-in camera, okay, and the second one is my external webcam, okay, this one. So my external webcam is working and showing here. If I remove the USB cable, now you can see it's not showing. I will reconnect this USB cable again. So I will connect this USB cable and after that you can see this is my USB external webcam. Now click on it. So click on your external webcam and you can see my external webcam is working fine, as you can see. And below you can see these are my external webcam settings. So you can reset default camera settings with this option, okay. So this is how you can connect your external webcam to your laptop. If your laptop keeps switching back to the built-in camera, you can disable it. I will show you how to disable your laptop built-in camera. For this you have to open device manager. So right click on this Windows icon. So right click on this Windows icon, then click on this option device manager. In this device manager you have to click on this camera option and here you will see both the cameras. So this is my built-in camera and this is my external webcam. So right click on your built-in camera, then click on disable device, then click on yes. So this will disable your built-in camera. If you want to enable it, just right click on it, then click on enable. So right click on it, then click on enable device. So this will enable your built-in camera as well. But if your external webcam is not working, try this quick fix. First, disconnect and reconnect the webcam, or you can try using a different USB port, or you can restart your laptop and make sure camera permissions are enabled. I will show you how to check your camera permission. For this you have to right click on Windows icon, then click on this option settings. After that, on the left side, click on this option privacy and security. On the right side, scroll down, then click on this option camera. Now here, make sure this camera access option is on. So make sure this option is on. This is important. So this is all for the video. Thank you.